There's always something new cooking up in the kitchen. Keeps me on my toes. That's the thing I like about Lloyd.
I like the fun in it. I feel like, you look around and it's like, they really made this different than any other place.
So we start at 8 at Lloyd. We prepared cabbages, tomato, radishes, washed cilantro, tofu, sliced scallions, curry romaine, diced tomatoes. And we help each other when we finish. Sometimes it's busy, but sometimes it's very cool.
We wanted to stand out with the brick and mortar. One of the first decisions was to make fresh tortillas. No one was doing it in Buffalo. We start the process with dry corn kernels. We'll cook it up. We'll steep there for about 16 hours. Then grinding the corn and making the blocks takes about another 2 hours. From there, we take the masa to the front line, put it through the tortilla machine, where the machine is able to pump out a tortilla every 2-3 seconds.
I don't have a culinary degree or anything, so I'm sort of just like from the ground up gain experience, and it just sets you up for success, and it makes you feel like you're happy to come into work every day because you know that you're like being taken care of too. So for me, I'm more of like I'm a shy person and I'm friendly and everything, but I know that I thrive better in the back of the house. It's like a family, I feel like, and everybody's helpful and everybody's willing to like answer questions and work with you, and I think that that's really important.
Lloyd is like a big family.